Welcome to LEC on Phonics, making this subject matter in a simplified and interesting approach to all learners. There are 26 letters of the alphabet, which consists of 5 vowel letters and 21 consonant letters. This creates 44 letter sounds made up of 20 vowel sounds and 24 consonant sounds. These sounds are represented by 23 letters of the alphabet and 12 special symbols approved by International Phonetic Association (IPA). It is worthy of note that among the letter sounds there is a single story A and a double story A. Also, there is a small capital letter I. The letter G used as a sound is usually represented by a single story G, not a double story G. And lastly, the colon used is a triangular colon, not a circular colon. All this is to have a presentable transcription whenever you decide to write it in print. Note also that all these sounds are usually presented in slashes to be able to differentiate a letter from a letter sound. This is a vowel sound. It is said to be a diphthong because it combines two sounds, as you can see on the screen. The sounds are R and A. Therefore, it forms the sound I. That is R and A, making I. You may repeat after me. I. The I sound is basically the sound of IGH, where the GH is silent. For instance, the word SIGH is pronounced sigh. The word MIGHT is pronounced might. And the word LIGHT is pronounced light. Others include sight, fight, right, bright, tight, and night. Sometimes the letter Y is sounded I. Words with such sound include cry, try, rhyme, gyrate, reply, comply, supply, fly, awry, buy, die, and rye. Remember, silent E makes the I sound of letter I to be I, as in bile, mine, tide, white, and mice. Worthy of note, the I in some words refuses to be sounded I, despite the silent E. These words include police, determine, examine, intestine, cowardice, famine, favorite, and masculine. One letter I precedes ND, as in the following words. The I is sounded I. The first word is pronounced kind, then mind, find, and hind. But the word WIND is sounded wind or wind, depends on the meaning of the word. For example, wind blows, but wind the glass. The following words have letter I that is sounded I. The first word is pronounced provisor, then tightened, followed by trident, then beguile, and lastly guide. Some words have EI to be sounded I. These include height, and the second word is pronounced slight, while the third word is pronounced Einstein. Lastly, these two words have I sound. The first word is pronounced vitae. Vitae. You can also call it vitae if you like. Vitae. The second word is pronounced isle. Isle, where the S is silent. With this, we shall draw the curtain here. The next sound shall be discussed in the next video. Goodbye.